Sports taught me that it was not the most talented player that became a champion. It was the player who had that ability to take the knocks, who knew how to take defeat, who was not demoralized by defeat. Life is never in a straight line. It's in cycles. You will have your ups and downs. Success depends upon not how you deal with the good times, but how do you deal with the bad times. There are two ways people react to a defeat. One is they get demoralized, and when they get demoralized, they lose that dream. Second are those people who become champions, that who actually learn from defeat, who do not give up. When I played my first test match, I was dropped, and everyone thought that was the last they would ever see for me. The reason why I succeeded more than a lot more talented cricketers than me was that I had that ability to analyze my mistakes better than others. And then the second ability, I would work harder than most others. When I came into politics, I was just like my first test match. My party never got one seat. We were wiped out. And, everyone wrote my obituary in politics. So I became butt of all the jokes for not 1 year, 2 years, 5 years. For almost 14 years, people laughed at me. I started alone, with no political background, in a two-party system. It hardly ever happens that a third party breaks through. We broke through a two-party system. Then we got more seats in the parliament than all of them. But it took a long time, 22 years. The key lesson is that you only lose when you give up. As long as you don't give up, no defeat cannot make you lose. One of our greatest poets wrote this little verse which said, "Oh hawk, don't be scared of the force of wind that hits you. It's only meant to make you fly higher." The Almighty has made us human beings such that the moment we face resistance, if we stand up to resistance, we get stronger. So, the lesson for young people, the lesson is simple. All of us can become whatever we dream of. We should never stop dreaming. Anything that you can dream, you can achieve, provided you're prepared to struggle for it, and provided you do not get demoralized from the bad times